welcome. So I do have a message for you this week, and it does fall in line with what I've already been speaking about recently. But today, my message is very simple, and it is about living passionately. You see, I've been talking a lot about vision and mission and knowing your values and living into your purpose. And part of that is that each one of us has this gift, has a talent, has something on the inside of us, something God-given that we are here to do, something that we were designed to give to the world. For some people, that might be art. For some people, that might be woodworking. For some people, that might be mechanics. For some people, it might be speaking or teaching. But whatever it is that is on the inside of you, I want you to go forth and do it wholeheartedly, with passion, with purpose, with clarity. Because you know what? A life that has an unclear purpose seems like it gets wasted, that we spend our time doing things that really don't bring us a lot of creativity and fulfillment and passion in our lives, because we just kind of go through the motions. When we have a really clear direction for our lives, a really clear why, a really clear purpose, really knowing who we are and why we're here, then it gives us this straight pathway that we can see. And we get all of this fulfillment and satisfaction, creativity, excitement, passion. And we get to live our lives passionately when we discover why we're here and we start to really live into it. Most people go to work and they're not using that gift on the inside of them. And so when they go there, they're kind of lackluster. They're just going through the motions and they're not really being as productive as they could be because they're not passionate. If we can get people into the right jobs that are right for them and for that gifting, then people can go into work every single day with purpose, with passion. And they're gonna give themselves to that position so much more than they would when they're just going through the motions. And that's what I want for you. See, I talked before about how my mission, the vision that I have for my world, was birthed out of tragedy. And part of why I'm giving this message today is because this is a week where we are celebrating one of those tragedies, for lack of a better term. My brother, he passed away at 35 years old, and he didn't really live. I didn't see him get to really explore his passion on a day-to-day basis. He was working this job and that job just to kind of make ends meet. But when you would get him talking about the pieces around his passion, he would light up, and you could see this shift in him and this creativity that just welled up inside of him. He would get so excited and so passionate. But he didn't really get to live into that piece. His life was cut short. We only get one chance. We only get one life. So let's do it right. Let's live it with some passion and with some purpose. Let's really step up and start to do that thing that you were made to do. You know what? Maybe you are an excellent travel advisor and you can really relate to people and get people excited and motivated. Well, you know what? Do it. Wholeheartedly do it. You know, if you're a mechanic, well, why are you doing it? Know your why. Why are you doing it? Do you love it? Are you doing it because this is why you're here and everything about it just excites you and revs you up? If not, start searching. Get on a quest to figure out who you are and why you are here. You know what? This is my mandate in life. It's like I just cannot let another day go by where I am not sharing this message to live passionately, live fully, Stop wasting your time and your energy on things that don't fulfill. Now, this doesn't mean you get to be lazy and sit on your butt all day, because that's not what you're here for. What you're here for is something that is going to impact your world. It's going to impact somebody's world. It might impact the big world. But whatever it is, whatever you do, I want you to do it with your whole heart, with everything that is in you, that passion, that purpose, that potential.